company in the US that wants to get a loan over like $1 million, the only way to get that loan is you have to know somebody. You have to know
You can't
a
just
banker.
go to a bank and say, hey, I want, like your primary banking relationship. Wouldn't you just go there?
You could go to your primary banking relationship, but for the secret, the truth is that most companies aren't qualified for a commercial bank loan. Most people don't have relationships with their wherever they put their deposits, and if you go to a branch and you want a loan over $1 million, you're likely going to be kicked up to a different type of person who will then talk with you, ask for a bunch of information and questions, get all the information, and maybe come back to you and say yes or no. You have to get to the right person, but more importantly, like it's highly likely that that right person is not going to be able to help you. Because again, most companies do not qualify for like the commercial bank loans that exist out there.
So they're offering you money when you don't need money, but when you need money, it's hard to find.
There is no easy way to figure out. There's nowhere you can go online to figure out what pricing you can get, who's offering loans to your company, what the structure is, the size of loan. You have to like show up at a bank and like hope that somebody relevant might be able to talk to you. And if they do, they're going to spend hours getting information, asking you questions, trying to figure things out before they can even get to maybe we can do it or not.
So the interesting thing is that like we usually have a primary banking relationship where we're depositing money, but that's the only banking relationship we have. And your model is to democratize the process so that if a company needs a loan to expand, they have access to all of the banking options out there and they can compare them to pick the best terms for their business.
If someone wants a loan, if a company in the US wants a loan, they come to our site and we can show them all the different types of loans that they qualify for and what the rates and terms are and how many lenders are looking to provide that type of company with that kind of loan.
Got it.
And at that point, if they like those pathways, they tell us they can select which ones they want to go after. And it could be for equipment, acquisitions, refinancing. So whatever those reasons are, they select the pathways and our system will pull on the top lenders in those categories to provide them with term sheets and go from there.